Hey, just on the cool down section of my run this morning on what turned out to be a beautiful day. Took a peek at my email and figured I'd take a minute to answer one of the most common questions we get for folks looking for SBA loans. What all tax documents are required to submit and obtain the SBA loan? And the answer is actually pretty simple. You start with at least 2 to 3 years of business and personal tax returns for all the owners 20% or more. I always suggest submitting 3. Some banks only want 2. But usually they're going to ask for 3 anyway. Inside those tax returns, the important documents they're looking for, things like, depending on how the company is organized, whether it's a sole prop, LLC, or corporation, they want, it might be a Schedule C, 1120, or maybe even like a K1. Again, depending on how the company is organized. Those will all be in the business tax returns. So once you have the full tax return, you're good. Once you get into the transaction, really, you might be asked to sign what's called a Form 4506T, which really just allows the lender to get transcripts directly from the IRS so that they can confirm all the tax return information that you provided. That, again, is just a standard form. They'll do all the work on that, so no heavy lifting there for you. And, really, that's about it. Now, obviously, some other things can come up from time to time, but that's typically on a case-by-case or deal-by-deal basis. Have a good one.